Okay guys, ever wanted to combine a strong product visual with a short, punchy message without needing two separate sections? Well, this section does exactly that. Today we're adding this image with text section to your store, so let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Image with Text. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type House, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its customizable settings open up on the left side. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's add a background image. I'm just adding a random one here, but you can add anything you'd like. Scroll down and let's change the heading color to black and update the heading text to Beauty, according to my own product. Let's scroll down further. There's a lot more to explore here. I'll change this button's background color to black and set the hover color to white and adjust the text color too, so it stays clearly visible. Below that, you can customize the padding, font size, and quite a bit more. And here's one more useful option. I'll change this section's background color to white to match my store's overall color scheme. If after all this, it still doesn't feel quite right for you, you can even switch the entire layout from original to premium to classic. I personally like it as it is, so I'll leave it this way. Hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.